Good morning, all of you. Today, let us discuss triangles part 8. Exercise 6.3, question number 4. In figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. In figure, we can say TQR is a triangle. Similarly, PQS is also triangle. QR by QS equal to QT by PR. That is a ratio given to us. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS similar to TQR. So PQS is this triangle, PQS triangle similar to triangle TQR. That is what here we have to prove. So first let us think of the clue given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is in triangle PQR. So we can say that in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If two given angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. Angle 1's opposite side is PR. So in triangle PQR, we consider angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 2 is formed by PR and QR. Angle 1 is formed by PQ and QR. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means PR is equal to PQ or PQ is equal to PR. This is one of the important clue we have. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, PQ is equal to PR. Opposite sides are equal when two angles are equal. Okay. So, shall we use this in the given point? In the given point, we can see that QR is by QS is equal to QT by PR. It is given to us. This point is also given to us. So when we get this, QR by QS, QR is of triangle TQR. In triangle PQR, QR by QS equal to QT by PR, that is given to us. In the question it is given. Now let us see which are the parts. QR by QS, QR of bigger triangle, TQR triangle, QS of smaller triangle, that is triangle PQS, equal to QT by PR. QT is of bigger one and PR is of smaller one. Okay. So, here already we have found out PQ is equal to PR. So, instead of PR, I am going to substitute PQ. Let us see what happens. QR by QS is equal to QT by, instead of PR we will write PQ. Again, this is to be proved PQS and TQR. PQS already have marked shaded. PQS is shaded one. TQR is the complete triangle. QR, it is of complete one by QS of smaller, QT of complete one and PQ of smaller. So, now we can see that sides proportionality. Okay. Next point is this angle 1. Is this angle 1 of both the triangle? Angle 1 is angle Q. This angle Q is of triangle PQS as well as of triangle TQR. For both these triangles, we have a common angle, that is angle Q is equal to angle Q. It is common. Now, in order to prove the similarity, we have three similarity criterion: AA, SAS and ASA. Okay, let us see that. Here we can have side ratio we have, and also we have this angles equal. Therefore, we can say sides proportionality and angle means it is SAS similarity criterion. That is triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR by SAS criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Okay, it's very simple. Just to see, 2 points are given to us. One point is QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. When you match it with the given figure, you will understand that this PR has to be changed. So, in order to change the PR, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2. From the clue, if two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. That is how we will be able to change PR as PQ. So this is the first point we have taken. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, and we have shifted PR as PQ so that we are getting a proper ratio of both the triangle side. Corresponding sides ratio we are getting of both the triangle. And also we have seen angle Q is equal to angle Q, that is common for both the triangle. That's why we are considering side angle side similarity criterion, SAS similarity criterion, for proving triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Let us move on to second question. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. So here triangle PQR is not given to us. We have to draw the figure. So for triangle PQR we have PR and QR side for which S and T are their points, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Here we have to construct the figure. This is one of the simplest questions. Here I have drawn figure according to the given question. We can see S is a point on PR. T is a point on QR of the triangle PQR, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P equal to angle RTS. Look at the triangle RPQ. This is the full triangle. Okay, similar to RTS. RTS is the smaller triangle. Okay, these two are similar. Here we have to prove. So any one of the similarity criterion here we have to find out. So better, if angles are given, we will think of AA similarity. So which is the first point to be written here? First we have to consider both the triangle. Consider triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. These are the two triangles to be proved as similar. Therefore, we are considering triangle RPQ. Okay, RPQ and RTS triangles, in which angle P of the bigger one equal to angle RTS of the smaller one. These two are equal. It is given to us. One A is satisfied. Let us think of the second A. Do you find a common A for both of them? Don't you have R as common for the PQR triangle as well as for RTS triangle? So R is equal to angle R, which is common for both of them. Therefore, isn't it very easy to prove that angle RPQ similar to triangle RTS? It is by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion, by which these two triangles are similar. Very simple. Question number 6. In figure, if triangle ABE triangle congruent to triangle ACD, So look at this triangle ABE here we have, and triangle ACD. These two triangles are congruent. Congruent means corresponding angles will be equal, corresponding sides also will be equal. Congruence you have learned in 9th standard. So triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore we can say that AB will be equal to AC. AB will be equal to AC. BE will be equal to CD. BE will be equal to CD, and AE will be equal to AD. AE will be equal to AD. These are the things we are getting from this congruence. And also the corresponding angles equal. Angle A is common for both of them. This angle B equal to this angle C, part of it. Okay, they are also equal. This is how many points we are getting. We have to prove that triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, let us prove it. Triangle ADE is the small one, ABC is the big one. So let us think of the corresponding parts. As I told you, we will be getting AB equal to AC, AE equal to AD. All these portions we are getting. So let us take the smaller one first, ADE. Don't you see that AD is equal to AE? AD equal to AE. According to the given congruence, AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE. So here we have to write, since both the triangles are congruent, since triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, what we have to write? The corresponding sides are equal. Here we have to write AD equal to AE. We can see AD and AE. AD is equal to AE. Also, don't you have AB equal to AC? Look at AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC is also there. AB equal to AC. So these 2 points we have. Let us mark it as 1, 2. This is by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Both the points corresponding part of congruent triangle, since 2 triangles are congruent. Now I am going to divide 1 by 2. That is first equation by the second. What do we get? AD by AB equal to AE by AC. Okay. So don't you get the proportionality? AD by AD of the small triangle by AB of the big one equal to AE by AC. Okay. And if we are considering these two sides, isn't it angle A included angle for both these triangle, common for both the triangle, and included side also? For AD and AE, this is included angle. For AB and AC, angle A is included angle. So for both these triangles, this angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A which is common. Therefore, these 2 points will satisfy, that is by SAS. Side ratio is there and included angle is equal also. Therefore, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. It is called SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. This is how we can prove. See once more, here we have triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Since it is congruent, corresponding sides are equal. AD is equal to AE, AB equal to AC. So we have to choose the parts in such a way that we have to prove the similarity, and for which we have to get a ratio. That is how we are considering the parts. There are many, 6 parts are equal. 3 corresponding angle and 3 corresponding sides are equal. But here we are considering only 2 parts, and you have to choose in such a way that we should get a proper ratio and also a common angle, such that we will be able to write SAS similarity criterion. That is how when we divide first equation by the second, AD by AB equal to AE by AC. AD by AB, that is of the smaller one by bigger one. AE by AC, same way, and angle A is common for both of them. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. It is by SAS similarity criterion. Let us go through question number 7. In figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC. AD and CE are altitude. Altitude meaning CE is perpendicular drawn to AB. AD is the perpendicular drawn to CB. It is the height of triangle ABC. CE also same way, height of the triangle ABC when AB is the base. Both intersect at the point P. Both these altitude are intersecting at the point P. We have to prove that triangle AEP triangle similar to triangle CDP. AEP triangle, I'll mark AEP. This is AEP triangle similar to triangle CDP. So these are the two triangles similar we have to prove. By shading this, it's very simple. We'll be able to find out how it is. So we have to consider, first let us write as consider. For the first one, we have to consider triangle AEP and triangle CDP. First and foremost thing we will understand is, here we have a 90-degree angle. Here also we have 90 degree. So that is the first pair to be written, AEP. So here angle AEP equal to angle CDP. Angle CDP. What is the reason? AD and CE are altitudes. Okay, AD and CE are altitude. So one pair of A is satisfied. Now think of second pair of A. It's very simple from the figure. There is no side ratio in the question. Therefore, let us think of the angle itself. Don't you see that angle APE? Angle APE equal to angle CPD because they are vertically opposite angle. That is angle APE equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. So both the A's are satisfied. Therefore, we can say triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. What is the reason? It is by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Okay. Now let us move to second part of the question. ABD similar to ABD. So actually only one figure is there. For you to understand, I have drawn 4 figures. First one over, second figure as the same. But let us mark ABD. ABD we have to mark here. By marking it will be very simple and you will be able to understand. ABD, this is our ABD. Okay, ABD triangle. And what is the next? CBE. CBE. Okay, so this is our CBE. Here we have. Okay, these are the two triangles. They are similar, we have to prove. By seeing what you understand. Here we have 90-degree angle. Here also we have 90-degree angle. Okay. So for this triangle ADB, Don't you have a 90 degree? For CEB also we have a 90-degree angle. For both of them, don't you see an angle in common? Angle in common. That is how we will be able to prove. So, ADB equal to CEB. ADB equal to CEB. It is perpendicular actually given to us. That is the second point. Consider, we have to write, consider triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Triangle ABD and triangle CBE. First point is angle ADB. ADB equal to angle CEB equal to 90 degree. It is given actually, or we have written in the first one itself. So it is given 90 degree. Now see the common for both of them. That is ABD for this triangle ABD. For this one also it is EBC. That is angle B is common. Angle B is equal to angle B, which is common. Therefore, it is easy to prove triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. This is by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. That is how we proved both of them. Third part of the question, we have to prove triangle AEP. Triangle AEP, the green one, green dotted one, similar to triangle ADB. Triangle ADB, this orange striped one. These two are similar, we have to prove. Two angles correspondence we have to find out. Very simple. AEP is the small one, for which don't you find this as 90 degree. So here angle AEP is 90. For ADB, you can see ADB angle. This ADB angle is also 90 degree. And we have to find out one more common angle. So we are considering this angle AEP equal to angle ADB. Angle ADB, that's equal to 90 degree, which is given to us. Okay, this point is given to us. Now let us think of the second common one. Which will be the common angle here? For both these triangles, don't you find this angle as common? For triangle AEP, AEP is the small one here, for which this angle PAE, okay, PAE angle, that is same for DAB also. PAE angle is same for DAB of the second triangle. Okay, so they are common, we can say here angle PAE. Angle PAE equal to angle PAE angle equal to DAB. Angle DAB. It is common. If they are common, we can say the triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity criterion. See, for both of them we have 90 degree angle and next angle is common for both the triangle. When you get a question, better you have to draw the figure, shade it so that it will be easy to find out the matching pairs. Okay. This is the last point to be proved. Triangle PDC. Triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. BEC. PDC, the striped one, and BEC, the green dotted one. Okay, these two are similar, we have to prove. Very simple. And the first point itself we have to use in this case also. these two angles are equal and it is 90. They are the altitude. For PDC, this angle PDC equal to 90, angle BEC equal to 90. That is, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC, we have angle PDC equal to angle BEC. Angle BEC equal to 90 degree. That is given to us. We have to write it as given. Which is the second angle? We have to prove that it is common for both of them. Don't you see this angle C in both the cases? That is for PCD. PCD is an angle for first smaller triangle as well as PCD is an angle for this triangle BEC also. That is angle PCD equal to angle PCD equal to angle BCE. This C is common for both the triangle. Angle BCE, which is common. Here we can write which is common. Therefore, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Very simple. In all the figures, you have to mark whatever is given and find out the second point so that it will be easy to prove by AA similarity. We'll be able to prove these triangles are similar. Here it is 90 given and this point angle PCD. PCD angle is common for angle BCE. Also, therefore, we say that by AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Reason also you have to write, it is better to score full mark. Similarity criterion. Okay, this was the last question. Hope you understood. Stay safe.